Sri Yantra, the cosmic geometric design which everybody should get into their house this Diwali. What does this really represent? It is made of 9 triangles which are interlocked, which actually show the cosmic connect, the energy flow of Shiva and Shakti. When they come together, they represent creation. The 9 triangles, the 4 facing upward, represent Shiva, the masculine energy, and the 5 triangles facing downward are Shakti itself, representing the feminine energy. Together, they create 43 triangles which represent each deity. And when together it is formed, enclosed within the petals of lotus and then enclosed inside a square, it represents the power seat of Goddess Lakshmi. Shri means Goddess Lakshmi, and this represents Goddess Lakshmi in the form of Raj Lakshmi or Dhanya Lakshmi. And that means when you bring the Sri Yantra home, you're not just bringing a yantra, you're bringing the cosmic energies of Goddess Lakshmi. When used properly or correctly, they can bring a lot of abundance in your space. In my next video, I'm going to tell you where exactly can you use different Sri Yantras or keep different Sri Yantras and what to do with them. But for now, you should know that Garden of Miracles is bringing to you some very beautiful pieces of Sri Yantra, and if you want, you can order it from us. First is this Sri Yantra, which can easily go into your locker or into your puja room. This Sri Yantra is the most beautiful one. It is a small one made in pure silver which can go in your wallet. It will continuously keep you abundant throughout the year. And then this is the one which is made of Svatik, and Svatik means the clear quartz Sri Yantra, which is going to bring a lot of blessings into your own temple. And then we have the crystal Sri Yantras. This is green aventurine, which is great to bring that abundance or new opportunities into your life. And then we have the yellow aventurine, the Sri Yantra, which is going to bring you joy and prosperity. So don't forget to order these from us this Diwali. Bring into your life the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi, and along with that, the blessings of Shiva and Shakti, the balance, the union.